Ready to unlock the power of data to revolutionize your decision-making? Let's face it, raw data can be overwhelming. A jumbled mess of numbers and text that's hard to understand. Imagine trying to find a hidden treasure in a giant, unorganized pile of information. That's where Tableau comes in, your treasure map. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool designed to transform this raw data into something truly insightful. First, Tableau connects directly to your data sources, whether they're spreadsheets, databases, or cloud services. Think of it as the bridge that brings all your scattered information together. Then, it organizes the data, presenting it in a user-friendly format, making it easier to analyze and understand. This is like sorting your treasure. Now the really fun part, using a simple drag-and-drop interface, you can create interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards to visualize your data. See how easy it is? Explore trends and patterns that were hidden before, identify key insights, and tell compelling stories with your data. The best part is that these dashboards are interactive, allowing you to filter, sort, and drill down into the information. For deeper dives, you can really dig for gold with this tool. Tableau empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, leading to improved strategies, optimized performance, and a serious competitive edge. So, are you ready to visualize your success?